3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in the end. But baby, tell me, how have you not figured it out?
Hey guys, good morning. So, we're almost at the underground river. Pero we're having a stopover. Like a few minutes na lang. But we're having a quick stopover here. Uluwagan Bay. I don't know. Look. It's a view. It's a view. Here at the top. Pwede pala umakyat. And I'm all alone. Let's take photos.
You show up at my door with some coffee and croissants. Went to my favorite store, cause you could tell it's what I want.
We're now here at Sabang Port. So, mag-process pa ng following the river, underground river. And sakay pa ng speedboat. Motorboat at saka paddleboat. After kami mag-arrive doon, there will be a 5-minute walk before the actual river.
I can't imagine more. It's been a dream and far beyond. Well, so then what am I so nervous for? Cause when it's good, just really good, then it should be too good. I know that there must be a catch, just waiting around for the record to scratch. But then you go again when you say I dream about you daily, and your face, it's a painting in the Louvre, baby. All your words like the screenplay in a movie storyline, but I get scared till I say yeah, definitely, baby.
The rock formations are so pretty here. Loki love rock formations. I like how pretty and amazing they are. Like naturally, ganon na sila. Welcome to Underground River.
Lalakad tayo sir. Hanggang sa Pico. Wala ko yung mga kilometers ko ah. Saan kaya sila bandang yun? Pas sila bumababa. Kasi most of the time nakakalat lang naman yan sila. Minsan na makakapasig maglakad. Basta nakapila-pila na sila. Tapos nakatingin silang lahat sa
Madami talaga.
madaming minsan po na. Gusto niyo po ba muna siya, sir? Doon muna, sir, i-upload. Kahit mahingi po ako mga kapatid. Anong gusto niyo po? Tagalog or English?
English.
English is fine.
English, ma'am? Their audio device. So, magsusot kami ng earphones ko pasok na sa cave. Para marinig namin yung tour. go back to port. And malapit lang sa port yung lunch. Buffet lunch. Hello! What is that? Oh my God!
Sanay na sila sa tao eh.
Yung salamander or not?
Monitor lizard.
Wala talagang monkey. Oh, monkey! 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 Weirdos. Baby hanging. Tapos na kami dito. So, go back to the port, just like I said, and eat our lunch. We did take a lot of photos. Quick stop over here at Taurus Mountain with Elephant Cave. Wow! Nagpadaanan do ito ng The Amazing Race, Philippines and Ukraine. Amazing! Ilang din mo? So room tour, quick one. So mirror here, mini fridge, a TV, window, folding bed, 2 beds for us and a open closet. And for the bathroom, and for malinis, ito mirror, sink, bowl with a bidet, and shower. So yeah, that's our room. This is going to be our last night here at Palawan. And so far, so good. I really did enjoy the tour. Pero nakukulangan talaga ako sa days. But it's okay. It was a great experience.
Tired of messing around with the F-boys. It was a good job, kept me employed. But now I'm moving on to the next point. Try to date a prince instead of a simp, yeah. Someone who's gonna love me through my good, bad, and ugly. More than 90, I want a life story. Kinda something like that Shakespeare would have wrote it, yeah. Romeo, I wish I could've met you. Romeo.
Sobrang lawak pala ng area. I'm exploring it alone but quickly kasi marami pa kami pupuntahan na. I think I should have brought my tripod. So ayun, I won't explore much na kasi we're on a time crunch and yung main purpose talaga sana namin is mag-mall, pero Tita Del suggested na i-city tour muna niya kami, even though we didn't plan to do it, but I guess we accepted it. And actually Baker's Hill is quite cute. Puro mga picture taking and a few animals and bread. I want bread so bad, so that's what I'm gonna do.
Romeo, I wish I could've met you. Romeo, I wish that I could text you. I bet you would help me. Tell me, what would Juliet do? She keep on looking till she found the one. Like Romeo, Romeo, where art thou?
Got the goods. This is literally my dream bread. Ipalit na utanan kalasi na pan. Mga isa-isa raman ni. Pan, mingin dali raman daot. Yung Spanish pag ko. Mag-taste testing ta na. Taste test for Spanish bread. Spanish bread. May tayo. Si Papa una mo tilaw. I-mix pa na. I-mix na. I-shake. Di man na-shake. Uy, giwagi-wagi. Amay mo. Na. I-shake yun. I-up down, up down. Dili, ana na ba? Dayon. Okay na. Hindi ka balog ako. Ba.
Nagmig na gata.
Darker sugar.
Let's go.
Light the candle prayers before we leave. Magkano po? 5 po isa. Mag-walk ako na ito. Doon na talaga yung city tour. So, this is our last day anyway. So, why not?
Korean yan kasi ano.
We're going to SM. We're now here at SM. Last stop for today. We'll buy some things and then eat dinner here. We'll eat dinner here at Gideon's.
I'm scared of showing up. I'll miss the regular weekends. Don't tell me way too much. I never know if you mean it. Ooh, can't seem to get involved.
Hey guys, so that concludes our Cebu Palawan journey, and finally I was able to travel na this year. And yeah, I'm going to end it na kasi all throughout the day mag-travel lang kami pa uwi. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will put everyone's contact number and links down below kung anong agency gamit naman, kung sino yung mga drivers, tour guides, and etc. And shout out to all our tour guides, our drivers. Thank you for making this trip happen, and also to our agency.